the short break in between, and you're facing the same team again, and you had to accept the loss half-heartedly last time. What do you think about facing them again? I try not to think about it, and I just want to go deep in the game as much as possible.
Because he didn't go so deep last time, does it feel like he might be a little bit stronger on Monday?
まだ球数も結構違う。体調も。
まあ、球数って言っても、まあ、その後またブルペンで投げたりしてますから、あんまり変わらないですね。
As usual, I go in the bullpen after that, so I guess it's pretty much the same.
I know you have only been in the American League for 3 years, but Monday will probably be the last time you faced Derek Jeter, a 14-time All-Star. Will that mean anything to you, or have the times you faced him anything you will remember for the rest of your career?
アメリカに毎回来られて3年なんですけど、今度デブキーター最後に何回なんですけど、彼と今まで対戦した思い出はありますか？
いや、まあ、なんもないですよね。同じリーグじゃないですし、とりあえず1年目のやたら苦しんでる時に、ここでヤンキースで試合した時に、初回にいきなりショートゴロ打ってくれたので、それですごいホッとしたのを覚えてました。
Nothing in particular, but because we're not in the same division, I didn't face him that many times. But I remember the first year when I was struggling, I faced the Yankees here at home, and he grounded to a shortstop, so that kind of really motivated me.
How advantageous is it to